You may be wondering why Algorand decided to use Python as its smart contract language, and what principles the engineers followed when designing Algorand Python. As of July 2024, Python is the most popular programming language. The engineers followed the principles used for designing AlgoKit, and one of the principles of AlgoKit is meeting developers where they are. So, we wanted to bring smart contract development to the developers by allowing them to write Algorand smart contracts using Python, a language most developers are familiar with. Now, smart contracts usually guard substantial financial value and therefore often immutable. So, it was important to ensure that there are no big surprises for Python developers. So, the engineers strictly maintained the syntax and the semantics of Python in Algorand Python to ensure that the code behaves as anticipated by the Python developers. Also, to reduce unexpected type errors, Algorand Python forces explicit typing. I'll cover this more in depth in a future video. If you want to read up on all of the principles of Algorand Python, I left a link in the description that takes you to the Algorand Python documentation with all of the principles.